I hope in 3 years that we should have definitely the best development possibilities and training catalog for people working in the information management space in our region. My name is Håvard Ellefsen. I'm the country manager of Affecto in Norway, and I'm responsible for the strategic initiative number 7, We Can Do It, which is about developing how we do competency development in this company. There's really two important aspects of that initiative, and the first one is taking in juniors and developing them into good consultants in our company. There is no other company in our region that has the size and the capability to actually do that in a very good way, and that has been a new thing for us, so that's why we have done that as a special initiative as part of this. The other one is the Affecto University. We have been working with Affecto University for a couple of years, but we see that there is still a lot of room for improvement, and we want to really improve that both for the junior consultants and for the senior consultants and for everybody in Affecto. And we are currently looking at new ways to develop education and deliver education so that people can actually do more education and training, but maybe at the same time take less time off from work and less time off for their families. The short-term actions that is coming out of this is first for the junior recruitment and development. It's really continuing the talent recruitment program, the mentoring program, and the competency sharing and development that is going on between the countries. That has given us good results so far, and we have good plans and are in a good speed for the future development there. When it comes to the Affecto University, we are currently researching what kind of techniques and tools you can use to better produce and deliver training to everybody in Affecto in a much more efficient way. And we are working to get the requirements, what kind of training we should have, and to see what kind of tools we should use to do this. And we should also be able to deliver this training very effectively when you need it, where you are, and at a very low cost, and at the least possible time off from work and time off from your family. So that's the kind of big, hairy goal we have for this. I think the first thing that we actually need is to have more trainers. We need to get in touch with people that actually want to be good trainers and work as trainers as part of the job, helping to develop training and provide training to the colleagues. So that's one part. The other one is that we need to gather more input about what kind of training is required to better prioritize and plan how we should develop this. And the third thing is actually to find the ways and make this training, produce the training and make it available to everybody. I think the first thing you should do if you want to contribute to this is, of course, to go into the Affecto University site on the intranet just to get an overview about what are currently being offered, because there is already quite a lot going on. And especially for the senior people in the BI field, we have these BI professional programs, which also takes networking between our senior people into account, and that's also a very important aspect of the Affecto University. But get into that site and get to know what's already there. And when you have that overview, and when you are talking to your manager about what kind of future development need that you have, then see how that matches and give us feedback if there are needs that is currently not fulfilled, or if you have ideas about how this could be done in a better way. And you have contact information on that site, or you could talk to your manager, or you could talk to the local HR people in your country. That's mainly the HR that is in charge of those processes. So if you have ideas how we can recruit good people, or if you want to explore being a mentor, then you should also talk to HR or to your manager to see what kind of possibilities and what kind of requirements there is for that.